How do you edit slow motion footage on your iPad? Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, if you captured the videos through the slow motion camera mode, right, in your camera, you of course can switch to that. Then the video in your gallery is going to have like different controls for the slow motion. You can locate it among your photos and videos, tap on it to make it go full screen, and then click on the edit button, which is going to be above the clip. And of course, the regular things as for any other video are going to be present here, like you can trim it or, disable the sound. But there is going to be one more thing for the speed below. So you can see that below the timeline, we have the option to adjust which part of the clip is supposed to be fast and which is the slowed down part of the clip, right? And this is how we can adjust it, because when the vertical lines are closer together, this indicates the faster pace of the video, and then the slowed down part begins when the lines start to being more spread out. You can see it visually very nicely in here, and that's how you can decide which part of the clip is supposed to be slowed down and which one or where the clip is supposed to be speeded up again. But also in the top right corner, you have another speed dial icon, which you can click on, and this just lets you change it manually with a click of a button. So you can choose it to be 100%, so it's going to be the 240 FPS, or you can dial it down below and decide which option you want to go with, because you can see that you can make it go as low as 10%, because the 24 FPS videos are still watchable. So you can see that literally 10% of the speed is going to end up with a usable and watchable clip. So that's another way how you can edit the slow motion. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos too.